Missy, lapad ka itong kuhaan ba? Kanang lingkuranan. Anong dyan magigay sa akong tiyan? No? Lapad ka itong lingkuranan man. Nabuing na ni. Di ka? Sa akong tiyan. Saan ni? Maning ko. Stop doing that. Because you ate your poo-poo. No way. Your mouth is dirty. Yuck. Yuck. Missy ate the poo-poo yesterday. She ate her own poo-poo. My gosh. Did you brush your teeth? Ouch! Stop. I'll tell everyone that you're not you're a dinosaur again.